commands, and Air Force is having again 7, that is 5 plus 2 different commands. So very first command of Army is the Central Command, which is at Lucknow. Right, you have to recap it and try to remember these things. Fine. Second is Eastern Command, which is at Kolkata. Then at Chandi Mandir, third command is situated, which is called as Western Command. The Southern Command, which is in our home state, that is at Pune. Fifth one for Army is the Northern Command, which is at Udhampur, J&K. The sixth one is the Southwestern Command, which is at Jaipur in Rajasthan. And the last command from Army is the Army Training Command, which is at Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. Now, as like these 7 different commands for Army, there are different commands for Navy. The first command is called Eastern Naval Command, which is at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Second is known as Western Naval Command, which is at Mumbai. And third one, which is also known as the Training Command or the Southern Naval Command, which is at Kochi in the Kerala. Fine. Now, the 7 different commands of the Indian Air Force are: the first one is Central Air Command, which is at Prayagraj. Second one, which is at Shillong, and that is known as Eastern Air Command. Third one, known as Western Air Command, which is at New Delhi, which is, I think, one of the largest commands of Air Force. Then fourth one is the Southern Air Command, which is in the state of Kerala at Thiruvananthapuram, and the Southwestern Air Command, which is in the Gujarat at Gandhinagar. So these are the 5 different commands, and the remaining 2 are as the Training Command in Bangalore, and the last command is known as the Maintenance Command, which is again our home state at Nagpur. Fine. So these are the 3 different armed forces having total 7 plus 3 plus 7 different commands. Fine. So if you consider all these commands, then you will be coming to know that all these commands are looking for the land security, the air, the Indian maritime border security, right? So these are the different 7 plus 3 plus 7 commands of Army, Navy, and Air Force respectively. Now, one more thing, if I tell you about the responsibility of Nicobar, that is under our, and these commands, which are by their cities, which are covering, but is concerned, responsibility of the Andaman and Nicobar is divided into all these 3 different forces. So these 3 services are for the security of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So it's always coordinated by the headquarters, which is at Andaman and Nicobar, right? Let's say particularly call their capital at Port Blair, and these tri-services will be looking for the security of this particular island. So this was about the commands in the, let's say, armed forces. Now today we will go for the ranks in the armed forces. Again, these ranks will be as divided into Army, then Navy, and Air Force. So first we will go through the ranks of Army. So in this case, if we look for commissioned ranks, so you can divide the ranks into the commissioned ranks, and second can be, you can call it as, let's say, non-commissioned ranks. I will write it later on, or I may not write. I may not write it. Right. So commissioned ranks in this particular thing, there are total 9 ranks. Let's start from lieutenant and end with the general. So there are 9 ranks. So correspondingly, Navy is also having these commissioned ranks, and again Air Force is also having these commissioned ranks. And here, as I said, so here there are total 9. Here there are total 9. Here there are total 9. Right. So you have to always keep in mind at least all these 999, these many ranks. Fine. So let's start with the first rank. Now we will be always going hierarchically from lower to the highest one. So in army, the first one is, we can consider the first one is lieutenant. Always keep in mind the spelling and the pronunciation of it. Right. First one is lieutenant. Now see, although it is a part of mugging up, but there is no alternative. You have to always keep in mind, or you have to mug up these different ranks.
Yeah.
Right. So you have to find out your own way accordingly, so that you will be always remembering all these 999 ranks, at least 999 ranks, right? So first one is lieutenant. If we see corresponding rank in Navy, right, as it is in the army, lieutenant in the army. So in the Navy, the corresponding rank is the sub lieutenant. Sub lieutenant. Fine. So this is in the Navy. Third one, if we consider the Air Force, then it is always a flying officer. Flying officer. Fine. So lieutenant. So whenever you will now get pass out from NDA, and again after passing out from NDA, you will be having a training. If you are entering into army, and you will be having a training more than 1 year at IMA, you will be having some training at Naval Academy. Later on, you will be having some training if you are going for the Air Force. So after passing that particular trainings, right, after the NDA, you will be placed in these ranks. If you are entering into army, then you will be, your first rank will be lieutenant. If you are entering into Navy, your first rank will be sub-lieutenant. And if you are entering into Air Force, your first rank will be flying officer. And successively, you will be promoting, you will be get promoted to the higher ranks. Right. So obviously, no doubt, there are certain rules and regulations. You have to complete the service of few years, or accordingly, again, other some rules and regulations are there that you have to always follow and fulfill, so that you will get promoted. So you will be always starting either lieutenant, sub-lieutenant, and flying officer. Always fine. So this is the first rank, or first rank as far as the commissioned ranks are concerned. Fine. So at this moment, those who had been in the NCC, they might be thinking about different ranks, right? Or some of you might be having question that how there are only 9 ranks. If you already know these 9 ranks, then you might be having a question, what about the field marshal, or the admiral of fleet, or the marshal of the Air Force? So I will be discussing that particular point. So these are the first ranks: lieutenant, sub-lieutenant, and flying officer. Second is, obviously, here it is always a captain in the army. And here in this particular case, you will be having now lieutenant, sub-lieutenant. So here it is lieutenant. It is lieutenant. Fine. Then the second rank of your Air Force is always a flight lieutenant. Flight. See, always these ranks are differed by the emblem or stars, or the let's say wreath of the lotus, right? I will be showing you how you can differ and how you can make it interesting, right? But always keep in mind, there is the best way to always remember these things, right? So that you will be always the question get asked, and many a times one question have been every time asked, right? Yeah, about these ranks. So this is about the second rank. Third rank, now you will be getting promoted to the major in the army. Corresponding rank in the, let's say, navy is lieutenant. Now this can be written, lieutenant can be written as LT, right? Lieutenant commander, lieutenant commander. And corresponding rank in the air force is a squadron leader. Squadron leader. Squadron leader. Fine. So these are the first three ranks if you consider. Right. Again, those who have been in the NCC, they might be aware about a company, or if you have heard about a company, so that company is always being headed by this particular man. So under this particular rank, you will be a section of these. So there might be three captains, there might be six lieutenants, right? In your company, right? So fourth one is now lieutenant colonel. Whenever you this particular rank, direct contact with the field now starts away and away. Right. Till this rank, you will be always on the field, but now you will be assigned some of the administrative responsibilities, or you will be, in short, going away from the, let's say, right, so from this particular lieutenant colonel. Now, here I say left, right? Here I say colonel. So whenever I say, it is pronunciating R, but here as such there is no, right? So if we read it, it will be like colonel, but it is not like that. So there are some of the pronunciations which you have always taken, right? So left colonel, and the corresponding rank in the navy is commander. Since here it is lieutenant commander, now it will be promoted as the commander. And in the air force, it will be wing commander. After a squadron leader, you will be the wing commander, right? So very good story about this particular rank. Yes, like about it. So in introductory lecture, I told something about the Abhinandan, right, or India's, let's say, first year strike. So the rank of that particular was about. So if we consider is now here it was a lieutenant colonel. Now you having a colonel. So it is colonel. Corresponding rank in this particular case, captain, or in the navy it is a captain, and in the air force it is a group captain. Group captain. Now if you see here, here you can have a captain, here you have a captain, and here you have a captain. Now see how the significance of this captain, and this captain changes. Although these two are the significant, but see here it is a group captain, right? Here it is a second commissioned officer. Now here it is, let's say, the star kind of status get obtained from this one, right? As we know, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star. So it stars get it stars at this particular rank or after this one, right? So you have to always take care about not mixing this captain with this one and this with this one. So you have to always look for this. This one, no doubt here, it is a brigadier. Brigadier. Fine. So yesterday we have different commands. Now that command itself further divided into different brigades. Always consider the fragmentation or the command itself is not, or huge group cannot is smoothly conducting its own operations. So again, it is further divided into different brigades, and that brigades are always headed ranks. So it is brigadier. Corresponding rank of brigadier in Navy is Commodore. It is Commodore. So recently you might have seen a movie. I think Akshay Kumar has played that role, right? So in that particular case, that rank is about this one, and the corresponding rank in the Air Force is about a year Commodore. Now see here, it was only Commodore, and here it is year Commodore. Again, you should not mix up with these two, right? So sometimes you have to mug up these things, or that is the only best way, so that you will be always remembering these particular ranks, because you have to score only on these 27 names at least 1 mark, right? Or one question. So Commodore and year Commodore. Now the 7th rank here, actually this is 1 star rank. This is 1 star rank. This is 1 star rank. Now you will be getting increased 2 star, 3 star, and 5. So you will be ending with the 4 star. So a major general. Now see, here I have written major. So here major can be written as MAJ. So major general. It is a 2-star rank. The corresponding rank of Navy of major general is a rear admiral. Rear admiral. Rear admiral. And in the Air Force, it is Air Vice Marshal. Air Vice Marshal. So it is the rank of the Indian Air Force. As I said, it is 1 star. Here you can write it as 2 star, or likewise, corresponding these are also like this, right? So you will be seeing the these stars on their collars. Right? Now, 8th one is the Lieutenant General. Lieutenant General. It is a kind of like deputy of the Chief of Army Staff, or the General. So it is a 3-star rank. The corresponding rank in the Navy for Lieutenant General is, here it is rear admiral. Now it is Vice Admiral. Vice Admiral. And here it is Air Marshal. Air Marshal. Now see, for next 3 successive ranks, or let's say, so you should not get confused with this particular marshal or the word marshal, right? So Lieutenant General 3-star, Vice Admiral is also 3-star, and Air Marshal is 3-star. Last one is the chief of this particular staff. Next will be the chief of the Air Force, right? So this is about hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Sir.
Okay, fine. So last rank is the okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Just a minute.
Sir, your video is not visible.
Now is it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you,
So
sir.
okay. Now the last rank is the general in the Indian Army, and this is, as I said, this is a 4-star rank. Fine. So if we consider the corresponding rank of Navy, that is Admiral. Here it was Vice Admiral. Now it will be Admiral. Again, it is 4-star. Fine. So Admiral, and the last one, or the corresponding rank of the Air Force, is Air Chief Marshal. Air Chief Marshal. So if we consider the commission ranks, then these are likewise, and for this again I will make here. So you always get promoted like this, or the promotion is like always in this way. So you'll be always starting at this particular as a commissioned officer, and you will be ending with this one. So always keep in mind, you will not only end at this, you will be having the highest honor from this particular case as we have considered yesterday, and that is what it is in the Army. Anyone?
Field Marshal.
Yes. And for Navy?
Admiral of Fleet.
Okay. And the Marshal of the Air Force. That is in the Air Force. Fine. So this is about the
Hello
ranks
sir,
which
screen
are
दिसून
on-
झाले.
एक मिनिट हा. दिसतंय का?
सर दिसतंय सर, सर्व दिसतंय.
नाही सर.
नाही सर, आता नाही दिसत.
हा, आता तर मी बंद केली. ओके फाईन.
हो हो
आता?
दिसतंय सर, दिसतंय.
हा दिसतंय सर.
इसरायल
आवाज नाही
पण
येते
सर
सर
स्क्रीन
Ceremonial position, right? Ceremonial position, or the greatest honor, right? Greatest honor, and that is the reason why it is not included in these particular ranks. And one more thing, these people have to these people have to get retired at certain point, but these ceremonial positions or greatest honor get never retired, right? With their death only, these positions, let's say, terminated. Otherwise these are never terminated. So तुम्ही अजन्म फील्ड मार्शल राहू शकता, अजन्म तुम्ही ऍडमिरल ऑफ फ्लीट असू शकता, or you will be lifelong the marshal of the Air Force, right? So that was the case. And you know about these two things. In this particular case, there were two different field marshals. This is blank, and here it was in, let's say, one. So I think yesterday someone had the years. So first one is 1973, second is 1986. This is not, and this is 2002. So Arjun Singh was conferred. Yes, Arjun Singh was conferred the Marshal of the Air Force in 2002. Rather, he was retired in 1969. Now see how many years later he had been conferred with the highest honor. The same case had been happened with this one. So KM Kariappa was, yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Which armed force is better?
Sorry?
Which armed force is best?
Okay. So this is a very tricky question, and answer for this one is very difficult. So you can't say this is the best one among these three, because many a times the operations or the particular tasks are being completed by the association of all these three forces, or let's say by association of more than one, and therefore it has no specific answer that this one is the best one. It depends on your own choice. If you want to live for months and months in the water, you'll always loving to go into the navy. If you want to every day fly in the sky, then you will be always going for Air Force. So according to your let's say your interest, you will be always selecting which one will be the best one. But specifically, no certain answer that this one is the best, right? And by saying this, you
Thank you,
cannot.
sir.
Yes. So let's now. I will share with you something which is interesting about these particular
Hello.
ranks. Fine. So I have just said you about ranks. So can you see on the screen what is there?
Symbols of army.
Decimals of army.
Okay, first one is
Symbol of army.
Army.
second one is
Second is navy.
second is navy.
Third is air force.
Right
Army.
Navy and
here.
Batches.
So you can say batches, no doubt. These are batches. So here you can see again how many are there? If you count it, there are different, right?
10.
If we consider that is field marshal or the marshal of the Air Force, and
different.
these are always on the shoulder of that particular person.
Army
Or
second.
by these, don't make me want to tell something, otherwise I will ask Sudhir to mute. Yes.
It's 10. Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, your voice is not stable. Sir, it's 10.
Don't worry. Fine. Again, now see here. These are the ranks. Apart from only commission ranks, there are looking or identifying each of these might be difficult, right? So let's see separately. Now see, I think it is very clear. You can see everything, right? The star is having 5 different, let's say, notches. Then there is the emblem, and there is a saber, and there is a sword, right? So this is about the first one, right? I have purposefully I haven't put here at number 1 the lieutenant or the field marshal. So I have started from hierarchically from the highest. So this is the let's say general point. And second, lieutenant general, you can see it. Fine, same one. Only here there is no star. Major general, no emblem. Fine. Then brigadier. There are 3 stars and emblem. Then colonel, 2 stars and emblem. Lieutenant, colonel, only 1 star and emblem. Now it will be about major, and that is only on the emblem. Fine. Then captain, having 3 stars, and I think the first rank, which is the entering commission officer's rank, is lieutenant, right? So these are the commissioned ranks. I will go through quickly the ranks which are called non-commissioned ranks, right? Or I will be in between non-commissioned ranks and commissioned ranks. There are the ranks which are called junior commissioned officers. So there are 3 different ranks, right? So these are the Subedar major, fine. Then the Subedar, fine, 2 stars and having a red and yellow colored feet, right? And last one of that particular case is Naib Subedar. So Naib Subedar, Subedar, and the Subedar major. So nowadays these 4 ranks, purposefully I have put them in a single slide. So nowadays these are not being used, or these are being conferred. So these are elapsed, right? So These are the non-commissions having 3 feats, right? Havaldar, then Nayak, right? Lance Nayak, and for the whenever someone enters as a recruit, which is called Sipwai, so it has no rank, right? So there is no badge. In fact, it has rank, but there is no badge for that particular rank, right? So you can write something better than this, whatever you people are writing on the screen. I think this is not a class of making a painting. Fine. So no rank. Now for Air Force, I have tried to separate out so that now you can see it clearly, right? Someone said in the first
Sir.
slide that it
Sir,
is
sir,
not
sir.
that much. Yes.
हेलो सर सर कुछ भी नहीं
Yes.
दिख रहा है सर इनकी वजह से
सर
नहीं
पूरा
दिख रहा।
स्क्रीन पेंट हो गया
बिल्कुल नहीं है
I can't do anything for these people because
सर ये जो करता है उसको हटा दो सर इधर से इसमें से
सर वेस्टिंग अदर्स टाइम फॉर नो रीजन
Sir, why you drawing on this picture? Yes, sir. Remove them out.
yes. So,
Sir,
yes, this is about the Air Force, right? Commission officers, you can see here flag. Then here you can have the flight lieutenant, and here we can consider the last one, which is Air Chief Marshal. No doubt this is the highest honor which we consider Marshal of the Air Force. Fine. Okay, now I have now don't do anything on this. So
करमवीर सिंह
Karamveer Singh.
परमवीर सिंह
Admiral
Okay, third one is?
Karam. General Kakka.
बिपिन रावत
थर्ड इज
Okay, and
सीडीएस
fourth-
बिपिन रावत
fourth one is
आरके भदौरिया आरके सिंह
Nitin Rawat.
fourth,
आरके
fourth.
भदौरिया
Air Force Marshal R.V. Singh.
आरके भदौरिया
Okay, fine. Now see the names are here, right? So General Manoj Naravane, Admiral Karambir Singh, CDS, Chief of Defense Staff Bipin Rawat, and your Chief Marshal is Rakesh Kumar. Now you can see here, basically he is from army, but after you can see his hat, right? So that hat is only for the army. He rather he was from Gurkha regiment, and because of that he was wearing that particular hat. But now that particular dress has been changed in such a way that now you can see it's shoulder rank badge, which is having tri-colored, right? It's let's say if you consider cap, again there are tri-services. In fact, 3 armed forces have been covered in that particular badge. Again, if you consider its buckle, belt buckle, again it is having a tri-service crest, and also the buttons of the dress. If you consider the buttons are also having that particular. Right? So, a photograph of the uniform of the CDS. Fine. Okay. Can you identify?
सर एक आर्मी का एक नेवी का एक एयरफोर्स का
एयरफोर्स
What exactly it is?
Sir, batches है उन लोग के. Sir, batches है, पहला आर्मी का है, फिर एयरफोर्स का है, फिर नेवी का है.
If I ask you exactly the name of first batch,
First batch
that
is
batch
of
is
General.
सर ब्रिगेडियर Brigadier.
Sir, Lieutenant
जनरल
No, it is not
General.
Lieutenant General. See, in earlier rank,